Hey there, fellow creators! Get ready to dive into the enchanting world of Unreal Engine and discover some amazing tips for adding beautiful water lilies to translucent surfaces like water. In today's video, I'll be your guide, sharing some secrets and techniques to make your foliage come to life like never before. So grab your creative spirit and let's embark on this magical journey together. Are you ready? Let's jump right in. So as you can see, we have a water pool here that I've added some water-friend plants using the foliage actor. So let me just erase these plants that I've placed so we could start from scratch. Let me just increase the brush size, and just like that, we got rid of them. And you might ask yourself, why not just placing the geometries of these actors and plants on the surface of the water and just simply scaling them and moving them and do the transform commands on them. But the point is that Foliage in Unreal Engine offers incredible speed and efficiency, allowing you to populate your scene with vast amounts of vegetation while maintaining excellent performance. So instead of placing these plants on the water surface, we can use Foliage, which provides us better options. So now I want to add these water plants that I have downloaded from the Quixel bridge, and the name is Rembrandt Water Lilies. And simply I've added them to my project, and now I'm using them in the foliage mode, and there you can see them. So we have a section called filters here, and let me show how this filters section work. And you can see that the brush is appearing on the landscape, but it's not working on the water surface, and it won't add any plant on it. So by checking this translucent option, which leads to place foliage on the translucent geometries, we can simply add the plants and whatever we want on this swimming pool because we have checked the translucent option. So let me select the plants that I want to have on the surface of the swimming pool, and I want to add some varieties in terms of the size of the plants. So in this scale X option, I've set the minimum scale to 0.2 and the maximum to 0.7 or 8 would be okay. And let's see how it works. And we have a problem here, and you can see that these plants are not just placing exactly on the surface of the water. So we have this Z offset parameter in the placement section, which adds an offset in terms of the height of the plants that we want to add to our project. So I've set it the minimum to -5 or 10 or 15. Just try with different values and see what works better for you. So let's just continue, and you can see that I can simply add these water lilies on the surface of the swimming pool like piece of a cake. And there you have it, my friends. I hope this video has inspired you to unleash your creativity and take your environments to new heights. Remember the power of foliage. With this power, you can transform your virtual worlds into breathtaking landscapes. So go forth, experiment, and let nature's beauty flourish in your projects. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own foliage creations with the community. Together, we'll continue to push the boundaries of visual storytelling. Happy foliaging, my friends!